Thinking about weather. Thunder booms and lightning flashes, then heavy raindrops hit the ground. A thunderstorm is one kind of weather. What other kinds of weather can you think of? What questions do you have about weather? Scientists called meteorologists ask many questions about weather. They use science tools and their thinking skills to find answers. You can find out a lot about weather too. You can use some simple tools. Just remember to use your thinking skills. You cannot see wind, but you can feel air moving on a windy day. You can observe what happens when the wind blows. Look at the girls' beach towels. Do you think it was windy when the photo was taken? Why do you think so? Look at the trees in the picture. Which way do you think the wind is blowing? How can you tell? Rain is water that falls from clouds. Sometimes it falls in a gentle drizzle. Sometimes it comes pouring down. Look at the photo of campers by their tent. Are they standing in a light rain or a heavy downpour? Why do you think so? You can measure how much rain falls. You can set out a tool called a rain gauge. It has markings to show the amount of rain. What markings do you see on the rain gauge? How many centimeters of rain have fallen? How do you know? Snow fall from clouds too. But snowflakes are different than raindrops. Snowflakes do not flow together or soak into the ground. They pile up. That is because they are frozen water. Air fills tiny spaces between the frozen flakes. Imagine that snow filled a rain gauge up to 12 centimeter mark. When the snow melted, the water in the rain gauge would come up to only about 1 centimeter mark. How can you explain that? Meteorologists classify clouds by how they look. This chart shows 3 main kinds of clouds. How would you describe the shape of and color of each cloud? Each kind. Cirrus, cumulus, stratus. Look at the clouds in the photo below. How would you classify these clouds? Use the chart on page 10 to help to tell what kind they are. Predicting the weather. You can use your observations of wind, clouds, and the sky to tell about the weather right now. You can also use your observations to predict what kind of weather may be coming. How to tell that the weather will stay sunny and clear. There is no wind or just a gentle wind. The sky is blue. There may be cumulus clouds. Morning fog disappears as the sun breaks through. How to tell that rain or snow will come. Clouds are bigger and thicker. The sky becomes dark and gray. Strong winds start blowing. Look at the photo on this page. Predict the kind of weather you think is coming. What do you see in the photo that helps you make your prediction? What is the temperature? How hard is the wind blowing? Did the rain or snow fall? Every day, meteorologists collect information that helps them understand and predict the weather. They record the information in maps, charts, and reports. What information can you collect as you keep track of the weather? What are some ways you can record your information?